the stuff that hangs out the back? Black?
Yeah, it's all right.
That's mercury.
Yeah, it's my dad likes them because the old Chevy motors were pretty much like that.
Yes.
He knows how to fix them. So.
Yep. So you got a V8 in that boat?
Yeah.
It's probably a 305.